everyone. Today I am going to talk about ulcers. Ulcers are the sores that develops on the lining of the esophagus, stomach or small intestine. They are known as peptic ulcers. The ulcers form when stomach acid eats away the mucus that protects the lining of the digestive tract. Types of peptic ulcers. The gastric ulcer. It occurs when a sore forms on the lining of your stomach. Duodenal ulcer. This happens when a sore develops in the upper part of your intestine. Esophageal ulcer. This is when a sore forms in the lining of your esophagus, which is a tube that carries food from your throat to the stomach. Causes of stomach ulcers. Continuous usage of alcohol, caffeine and tobacco. Such factors lead to buildup of stomach acids that could erode the protective lining of the stomach, duodenum and esophagus. Bacterium Helicobacter pylori is present in more than 90% of duodenal ulcers. We can get it from unclean food and water. It may pass from person to person through close contact such as kissing. Heavy alcohol use, psychological stress and smoking. Risk factors for peptic ulcers. Over usage of certain drugs, painkillers such as aspirin, ibuprofen or naproxen. Usage of steroids with high calcium levels in your blood known as hypercalcemia, you can become more prone to ulcers. Are older. Stomach ulcers are more likely to develop in older people with arthritis. They may take daily dosage of aspirin and ibuprofen. Have type A blood. For an unknown reason, people with type A blood are more likely to develop cancerous stomach ulcers. Have type O blood. Duodenal ulcers tend to appear in people with type O blood because they can't produce substance on the surface of the blood cells that may protect the lining of the duodenum. Have Zollinger-Ellison syndrome. If you have Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, which is a rare tumor in pancreas and duodenum, causes acidity to develop in the stomach acids, which causes peptic ulcers. Stomach ulcer symptom. You might feel a burning pain or discomfort between your belly button and breastbone. Other symptoms may include feeling easily full, not wanting to eat because of pain, acid reflux, heartburn, chest pain, fatigue, bloated feeling, burping, lack of appetite or weight loss, nausea, bloody or dark poop, vomiting that might contain blood or look like coffee grounds, anemia, pain that may improve when you eat, drink or take antacids. Diagnosis of stomach ulcers. Doctors will have a physical exam with you. They will ask if you have tenderness, pain or bloating in the stomach. Your doctor may take samples of blood, stool or breath for the signs of Helicobacter pylori. If you are older, they can take an endoscope test, that is a small sample of tissue from an ulcer that can be tested in the laboratory. You have a symptoms of weight loss and loss of appetite. You have to visit your doctor and discuss about your problems related to your ulcers. Doctor recommends antibiotics. Lifestyle changes such as quit smoking, drink less alcohol or caffeine, stay away from foods that makes your symptoms worse. If your ulcers don't improve with the medication or lifestyle changes, sometimes surgery is necessary. Foods to be taken for ulcers. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, leafy green vegetables, fermented foods such as yogurt, apples, berries, olive oil, honey, probiotic supplements, vitamin C, glutamine can be taken. If you want more information, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.